smartphone is your best buddy that lets you stay connected with your friends and family all the time. But the battery life is something you need to focus upon for uninterrupted mobile experience. Every mobile needs a couple of hours for full charging, but now it is no more hassle. The smartphones are coming with a fast charging support. If you're looking for a budget smartphone with the best fast charging support, then this video will help you out in choosing the best one. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 best budget smartphone that comes with the fastest charging that you can consider to buy in 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone did you like the most. Please hit the like button to share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Realme 8s 5G with the 5000 mAh of battery and 33 watt fast charging support. Realme 8s 5G looks nearly identical to the Realme 8 5G. It has a 6.5-inch display with the thin bezels on the sides but a slightly thicker chin. The Realme 8s 5G has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and it comes with a triple camera module which gives you best picture quality. Powering the Realme 8s 5G is a MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G processor and it is paired with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM. Both variants have 128GB internal storage. Realme also has a virtual RAM feature which lets you use 5GB of storage to extend RAM. As I said before, you get a 5000 mAh of big battery with a 33 watt fast charging support and 33 watt charger is provided inside the box. Charging the 5000 mAh battery with the supplied 33 watt Dart charger got the phone to 94% in just an hour. You can consider to buy this phone for its fast charging support and big battery, 90Hz refresh rate display, good performance, and it is 5G ready. The only disappointment here is there is no ultra wide angle camera provided. Redmi Note 11T 5G packs 5000 mAh of battery, comes with a 33 watt fast charging support. This is an amazing budget smartphone from Redmi. Redmi Note 11T 5G is an amazing smartphone with a very low price of around 15,000 in India and around $220 to $230 in the international market. The phone comes with a 6.6-inch beautiful display with a full HD plus resolution and the phone packs powerful Dimensity 810 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The main attraction is not only the 5G connectivity at a low price but also the fast charging with a big battery. It comes with a 5000 mAh of battery with a 33 watt fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, it comes with a dual camera setup at the back comprising of 50 megapixel primary camera and a second 8 megapixel camera. You will also get a 16 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone measures 8.75mm in thickness and weighs around 195 grams. The smartphone was launched in aquamarine blue, matte black and stardust white colors. As I said before, it will cost you around 15,000 Indian rupees and around $220 to $230 in the international market. Vivo V21e 5G with the 44 watt fast charging support. Vivo V21e 5G smartphone was not only known for its fast charging support but it's a very good camera smartphone from Vivo. Coming to its other specification, the phone comes with a 6.4-inch touchscreen display with a full HD plus resolution. It is powered by octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone packs 4000 mAh of battery and it comes with a 44 watt fast charging support. As far as cameras are concerned, the rear camera packs a dual camera setup featuring 64 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel second camera, and it also comes with a 32 megapixel front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. You will easily get this phone for around 21 to 22,000 Indian rupees and $300 in the international market. Eco Z5 5G with a 5000 mAh of battery and 44 watt fast charging support. It's a successor to the Eco Z3 and its design has been slightly improved compared to the Z3. There is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor that's on par with the mid-range competition and will perform well while gaming and multitasking. There is a 6.67-inch LCD panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, which works well while playing games. And Z5 finally gets a stereo speakers, which will boost your experience while gaming or watching multimedia. Coming to the cameras, it packs a triple rear camera setup at the back comprising of 64MP primary camera, 8MP second and 2MP third camera. It also comes with a 16MP front selfie camera to take beautiful selfie. Coming to the battery life is excellent here. It comes with a 5000 mAh of battery and 44W fast charging support. You can consider to buy this smartphone for its fast charging, big battery, good gaming performance, stereo speakers and 3.5mm headphone jack. The disappointments here are low light camera is not good and display is also not good. Xiaomi 11i 5G. Xiaomi 11i series has two phones, Xiaomi 11i 5G and Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G. Xiaomi 11i 5G comes with a 67W fast charging support, and if you want 120W fast charging support, you have to pay 4,000 to 5,000 more. And Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge. Coming to the Xiaomi 11i 5G, the phone comes with a 6.67-inch touchscreen display with a full HD+ resolution. And this smartphone is powered by the powerful Dimensity 920 chipset coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. As I said before, this smartphone comes with a 67W fast charging support with a battery of capacity 5160 mAh. Coming to the cameras, not only it has got a fast charging and big battery, the cameras are also excellent. It features a triple camera setup featuring 108MP primary camera and an 8MP second camera. It also comes with a 16MP front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. As far as dimensions are concerned, the phone measures 8.34mm in thickness and weighs around 207 grams. Due to its big battery, the phone is a bit heavy. Coming to the colors, it comes in attractive colors like camo green, Pacific pearl and stealth black. This phone will cost you around 23 to 25,000 Indian rupees and around $400 in the international market. So these are the 5 best amazing budget smartphone that comes with a fast charging support. If you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.